Hello friends, in today's video we will do a quick review of the latest model of Siemens 14 place settings dishwasher. Let us take a quick look at the specification. It's an IQ 500 series machine, the highest series model available in India at this point in time. It's a freestanding style machine, which means that you do not need to fix it inside your kitchen cabinet. It comes with 14 place settings, the maximum capacity available by Siemens in India at present. It also comes with 8 plus ratings, which is extremely efficient both in terms of electrical and water consumption. The noise level is 42 dB, again extremely low, in fact the lowest noise level available in India in any other dishwasher at this point in time. It also comes with TFT touch panel with 6 different temperatures and 8 different programs. As per standard, one place settings include a large dinner plate, a small snack plate, a saucer, a bowl, a coffee cup, a drinking glass, a knife, 2 teaspoons, a dinner fork and a small salad fork. So for a 14 place settings, you can accommodate up to 140 utensils in this combination. On a side note, the Home Connect app is not available in India right now. The machine comes with 8 different programs like Intensive, Auto, Eco, Silence, Short, Glass, Quick Wash and Pre-Rinse. You can choose a program of your choice depending upon the type of utensils that you are loading into it. It will select the temperature and runtime accordingly. If you select the auto mode, it shows the runtime as 2 hours and 30 minutes. However, the machine will automatically decide the type of load and adjust the runtime as well as temperature automatically. In our experience, the auto mode generally finished within 1 hour and 40 minutes instead of taking the full 2 hours and 30 minute cycle. Along with any of these programs, you can use the Vario Speed Plus option, which will optimize the runtime and water consumption. As I indicated earlier, the machine does come with Wi-Fi option and we were able to connect it to our router using WPS option. However, the Siemens Home Connect app is not yet supported in India and we were not able to see and review this feature. The machine is no doubt expensive, but it's a German engineering marvel in itself. If you can afford it, go for it. After all, the quality comes with a price.